want you to do is put the poi in your left hand, and I want you to play, just get the poi moving in any way possible, like you're a 5-year-old kid with a new toy and you have no idea what to do with it. But you want to do something, so I just want you to swing it around. You can like attack things in your living room. You can chase your pets. You can bounce it off your body, off your legs, off your feet, off your head. You can try to figure out what kind of shape you can make. You can think of your favorite superhero, and like they're fighting some supervillain. You can throw the poi and then go get it. You can pretend you're searching for water, like it's a dowsing rod. You can pretend it's a pet. You can pretend it's a scientific instrument for measuring things. You can let it swing. You can let it swing towards you and get out of the way. You can let it go under your legs. Once you've learned poi moves, you can never go back to playing poi like you don't know anything again. So you will never ever be able to do this again, playing not knowing anything. So if you're totally new to poi, you're in a really fortunate position, and take advantage of it. So what I recommend is every time you're going to play poi, take a little bit of time, whatever you've learned, let go of it, and just play. Just be, all the new poi stuff always comes out of people just playing. If you want to be inventive with this a little bit, it's always a good way to start. So enjoy that, and I'll try to keep reminding you to do that throughout the course.